Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I want to talk to you about a type of probiotic you might not be familiar with, one that actually uses soil-based organisms which produce spores. So why would you need a soil-based probiotic? Well, these spores actually recondition your gut and prepare its lining for probiotics that help repopulate your gut with these beneficial bacteria. The spores are found in the soil, and we simply lost contact with them because we don't play or work around in the soil much anymore. These spores resist breakdown from enzymes and acid as they travel to your small intestine, and they are also antibiotic resistant, which means you can take them while using antibiotics and they will help support your healthy gut flora. After you swallow them and they reach your small intestine, they germinate and begin to grow and help to balance your healthy microbiome. Please understand that the question is not if you need regular probiotics or a spore-based one. Most people will benefit from both. My Spore Restore is designed and even preferred to be taken with my complete probiotics. So what types of organisms are in this Spore product? They are the Bacillus species, which have been found to provide a number of important benefits, such as training your immune system to support healthy, normal, inflammatory, and immune responses, to also support digestion and assimilation of your food and nutrients. And they also help with detoxification and get this, produce over 24 different natural antibiotics to defend against invading bacteria. My Spore Restore product also contains an organic mushroom blend of lion's mane, turkey tail, and shiitake, which serve as prebiotics to help the spores work more effectively. So, if you have gut challenges or haven't responded to other probiotic formulas, please consider my new complete Spore Restore to help you take control of your gut health.